Hello students, a very good day to all of you. Today we will start a first chapter of geography, that is the earth in the solar system. Before moving to the chapter, let's first know what is geography. Geography is composed of two different Greek words. First is geo, that means earth, and second is graphy, that means to write or describe. So, geography basically means describing the earth. So, in the first chapter, we will see earth in the solar system. That what is earth? Earth kya hai? It's a planet. Features of earth. Earth is a unique planet because it supports life. So, we will discuss it later in the chapter in the solar system. What is solar system? Solar system, Sun and its family is known as solar system. The Sun is the head of family with 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies is known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. So Sun have a family. He is the head of member. Who is the head of the solar system? Sun. And it have 8 members with it: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And they are not chintu mintu. They are very big students. Okay, they are planets and they all revolve around the sun. Now let's come to the learning outcomes of the chapter, which you have to write in the classwork notebook of geography. Chapter number 1 of geography, write the learning outcomes. Okay, all the 3 learning outcomes. So at the end of the chapter you will able to understand the unique place of the earth in the solar system. Second, you will also understand the different celestial bodies, galaxy, Milky Way, stars, planets, various constellations, the earth, the sun and the moon. Also, you will understand about satellites and its types, asteroids and meteoroids. So students, let's start with the first topic, celestial bodies. So students, what is celestial bodies? All the objects which we can see in the sky like sun, moon, stars, etc. These all are celestial bodies. So everything in the sky is celestial bodies. And out of these, some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and own light, and they emit in large amount. Emit means giving light to other objects. So all the celestial bodies which have these 4 features are called stars. Okay? And the very good example of a star is sun. Sun is a star. Ma'am, sun? How can sun be a star? Stars are the twinkling stars we can see in the sky at night. So how sun can be a star? The students, stars basically means all the 4 features which I said above. If they are present in the celestial body, that celestial body is star. So does sun have sun is big or hot? Sun bada or garam hai? Yes. Does sun is made up of gases? Yes. Does sun have their own heat and light? Yes. And do sun emit in large amount? क्या वो औरों को light देता है बहुत large amount में? Yes. So as sun satisfies all the 4 conditions for being a star, sun is a star. And ma'am, one more question. Does moon, moon is also a star? No students, moon is not star because it does not have its own light. It's a reflection of sun. We will study about it later. Moon is not a star, not even a planet. It's a satellite. Okay, it's a satellite of Earth. We will study about moon later. So second topic we'll see about sun. Okay, the features of sun. Sun is the biggest star in the solar system. Sun is the biggest star in the solar system. It's a ball of fire. It's the only star which is visible during the daytime. Make note of it, students. It is the only star which is visible during the daytime. Other stars are visible only when the sun disappears. We will see this reason after this topic. Okay? And all the other planets revolve around the sun. Sun is at the center of solar system and its temperature is around 3000 Celsius. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the whole solar system. Do you know सारे planets को only source of light, because planet की खुद की light नहीं होती. Planet को light कहाँ से मिलती है? Sun से. So sun is the only source of light. Sun is the only star which gives light to the all other 8 planets. Okay, but the tremendous heat is not felt so much by us. अब सन इतना ज़्यादा गर्म है, 600 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर है, फिर भी we don't feel that much heat because though it's near a star, but also it's very far away from us. Other than like stars are very 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 far, but sun is also far. Okay, so sun is about 150 million kilometer away from the earth. That is the reason we don't feel that much heat. Okay, from above we saw that we cannot see moon and all other bright tiny objects during the daytime. I told now only we can see sun during the daytime. Why? Let's understand it with an example. Place the torch in the center of the paper with its glass front touching the paper. Now draw a circle around the torch. Okay? Then the जो आपने पेपर पे सर्कल बनाया है टॉर्च के साइज का, मेक अ होल इन दैट विद द नीडल. छोटे छोटे से होल करो नीडल से, एंड देन वो पेपर को रबर बैंड से टाई कर दो विद द टॉर्च. देन गो इन द डार्क रूम. सारी लाइट्स ऑफ हो, कोई भी सोर्स ऑफ लाइट ना हो वहां पे, एकदम डार्क रूम में, एंड देन स्विच ऑन द टॉर्च. नाउ फ्लैश द टॉर्च लाइट ऑन द वॉल. ठीक है, उसको दीवार पे फ्लैश करो टॉर्च लाइट को. यू विल सी न्यूमरस डॉट्स ऑफ लाइट ऑन द वॉल. क्यों? बिकॉज हमने पेपर पे जो होल्स किए थे नीडल से, उससे जो टॉर्च से बाहर लाइट आएगी वॉल पे, तो हमें लगेगा कि स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टार्स बन गए हैं वॉल पे, राइट. बट व्हेन यू विल स्विच ऑन द लाइट ऑफ द रूम, जब आप लाइट ऑन कर देते हो तो क्या आप टॉर्च की लाइट को देख पाओगे अच्छे से? दीवार पे कमरे में पूरी लाइट हो जाएगी, बहुत ब्राइटनेस हो जाएगी, सो अच्छे से दिखेंगी ही नहीं वो लाइट जो वॉल पे थी, राइट. सेम हैपेंस विद द मून एंड अदर ब्राइट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. sun have very bright light beta, and so that's why it does not allow other bright objects to see in the night, in the daytime. That's why when sun goes away, then we can see other bright objects in the sky, moon and other stars. So what we have studied, students, we have seen the meaning of geography. We have also seen what is solar system. We have seen the learning outcomes of the chapter. What are celestial bodies? What is star? Features about sun. Sun is also a star. Planet does not have their own light. The only source for light for planets is sun, and sun is a star, because stars अपनी खुद की लाइट होती है, but planets के पास लाइट नहीं होती खुद की, वो लेते हैं किसी और से, वो stars से लेते हैं. ओके, एंड सन ही एक ऐसा सोर्स है जिससे सारे planets को लाइट मिलती है. ओके, and we have also seen the reason that why moon and other bright objects in the sky are not able to we are not able to see in the daylight. We have seen the reason of it. So thank you, students. Take care.